If you're having trouble with Overwatch 2 multiplayer, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify and fix common problems. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Overwatch website or social media channels to check if there are any server outages or maintenance. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Overwatch 2 completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve connection issues or glitches that may be affecting multiplayer functionality. Step 3. Update your game. Ensure that Overwatch 2 is updated to the latest version. Check for updates through your gaming platform, Battle.net, console store, etc., and install any available patches. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Test your internet connection to ensure it is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or contacting your ISP. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, uninstall and then reinstall Overwatch 2. This can fix corrupted files that may be causing issues with multiplayer. Make sure to back up any necessary data before proceeding. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve issues with Overwatch 2 multiplayer. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Blizzard support for further assistance.